Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the viral snapshot effect using CapCut PC in this step-by-step tutorial. So first, you can just add the clip that you want to edit into CapCut. And then you can duplicate the clip first, copy and paste the video on the overlay, so put it on top just like this. Then you can click on the overlay video, and here you can move the playhead and choose the scene that you want to create the snapshot effect. For example, I'm going to go here. Then first you can add a marker to the timeline. So for example, in here, click on this, add marker options, and now click on the overlay and tap on the freeze feature. Click on freeze and you'll create this freeze frame. Then delete the rest of the overlay, so you only need to use the freeze frame. Now adjust the durations of the freeze frame. For example, I'm going to set it into 5 seconds, and then move the freeze frame to the main track like this. Okay, click on the freeze frame, and now under the basic tab in here on the video menu, you can scroll down until you find canvas. Now choose the background color. Here I'm going to go with white. Okay, now the background has been added, and you can just click on the freeze frame, and at the beginning of the freeze frame, add a keyframe on the scale. Okay, now you can just move the playhead a little bit and add another keyframe, or you can just lower the scale. Here I'm going to lower it into 90%. Click on enter, and he'll create this white frame like this. And now you can just right click on the freeze frame and create compound clip. Now move the compound clip aligned with the marker in here. So just move it like this to the top. Now on the compound clip, add a keyframe on the transforms. So add a keyframe in here, on the compound clip, and then move by 7 frame. In here, and then just lower it like this, and then give a little bit rotate effect. So I'm going to just go like this. So now the photo will look like this, the compound clip. And then you can add sound effects to it. Click on audio, and in here click on the sound effect, and I'm going to just find the camera shutter sound effect, this one for example. Add it into the clip, and you can preview the result first. Okay, so it will have that snapshot effect on your clip just like this. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.